Well guys, today we got stripers on the agenda. I'm back on the Cape. As much as I love freshwater fishing, since I've been here in Massachusetts, I've really tried to hone in on saltwater fishing and like improve my salt skills. And that's exactly why I'm out here today. I've got lucky. We're gonna be fishing on the Cape for about 2 or 3 mornings, just trying to figure something out. Fall can be a pretty decent time to catch stripers. So right now I'm in Barnstable and I've picked some random beach to fish off of. So matter of fact, I began today's fishing session at the Cape Cod Bay, which is the northern side of Cape Cod, and it was blowing 20 right in my face. So I got out of there. I'm now on the southern part of the Cape where, as you can see, there's hardly any wind. And this is where I'm gonna be fishing for today. Got some topwater, got the big jerkbait, and we're just gonna run it. See what we can do. I don't know, I gotta try something new. Oh my God, they're busting in there. I just saw something eat. I just saw something eat. Oh my God. Oh, I just got bumped. Come on, eat it. Oh, they're in there, they're eating. Oh my God. It's so funny, like you see just, all I can see right now, and I don't know if you guys can catch this either, but it's just like this pile of black that's slowly moving. All of a sudden you'll see a big flash, and that's a fish just rushing right through the school of bait, going in for a nice bite. You'd think I would have caught one by now. I mean, Jesus, I'm like throwing like 50 casts in this pile of bait. I am getting little bumps here and there, but that may be me knocking into the bait. I don't know. It's confusing. I don't really know what's going on. There's definitely fish feeding. I don't think they're really keyed in on my little jerkbait. That's for sure. Oh, I'm on. Yes, I'm on. I got one. Yes. I ripped it really fast, and that's what got that bite. Yes. Here we go. What do I have? What is it? What do I have? Oh, no way. Oh, okay. Here we go. So this is the bait that's in there. This makes sense now. I didn't get a bite. Is this a pogie? What is this thing? Okay, this makes sense now. So that bait I'm seeing isn't small. It's actually really big. And the flashes that I'm seeing aren't fish feeding on the bait, it's the actual bait. Like, that's how big the bait is down there. Wow. That's a big chunk of meat right there. Holy moly. It really sucks because I know if there were some big stripers in this area, I could throw this back out there and probably get a bite. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. You never know. You never freaking know. I'm just gonna throw it out there. This is some parakeet right here. Could you imagine if this thing just got eaten right now? Holy moly, that'd be insane. That might be, something happened? No, I think that's just the thing swimming. This is kind of messed up, but you never know. There could be a bigger striper in there waiting for a pogie to come by. That'd be the sickest thing ever if this pogie got eaten. My line just went slack. Wow, that's so weird. So I was totally wrong. I wasn't getting bites. I was actually snagging the pogie. All right, well, I'm gonna reel this guy in. Nothing wanted to clap my pogie, which sucks. Damn, that'd be so sick if I'm like reeling this thing in, like a freaking 30-pound striper comes up and eats this thing. Well, this is like a good sign, I will say. Like, I do know what the bait is now. This is some good bait. With bait like this, there's surely probably some big stripers just nearby. So I'm gonna get this guy unhooked and send him on his way. What an interesting little fish. All right, see you, bud. Go hang out with the rest of your school. Well, okay. Now that we've determined what is schooling on this beach, I think it's safe to say that this little jerkbait's probably not gonna get too many bites. Holy moly, that thing was big. Oh my God, it's gonna rain. I just turned around and there is some nasty storm clouds coming through. I don't know, what should I do here? That looks bad. That looks really bad. Like I could get soaked in that. Shake it out, girl. Come on, striper. That bait it's right on top of the surface. That bait is right on top of the surface. Why the hell are there no striper over here? This is the easiest striper meal on earth. If I was a 40-pound striper, I'd be just having a field day on this beach. God bless it. Look at that. You guys see that slick water right there? That is all big bait. All like freaking 7-8 inch bait right there. Right in that slick water. There's like 2 schools and I think they just came together and they're just sitting there. You gotta be kidding me. How is there no stripers? This is insanity. Well, I successfully managed to avoid catching a single fish on this beach, which I fished for about 2 hours, by the way. I threw the big setup a lot when I saw the bait get pushed on, but as soon as I picked up the big bait, got guys just next to me were like slamming false albacore. So then I switched to the spoon, the little deadly dick, and not a single fish came through. So I don't know what the hell I did wrong. I watched guys catch fish around me, didn't pin a single one. Very humbling moment, but we're not giving up. It's time to go to beach number 2. So just a quick little update for you guys. Your boy's sucking big pee-pee right now, so I'm about to pull a fat audible. I have absolutely no idea what to do. It's funny, I think these first 2 times that I went striper fishing completely solo, like on a whim, I got lucky, like I caught fish. And since then, I've had this kind of stupid idea that if you can just pull up to a beach or a jetty, you're gonna catch fish. And today I'm getting fully humbled. The weather's definitely bitey right now. I have seen a ton of activity. I mean, I've watched guys catch pretty big false albies, like just a few yards from me. But yeah, this just is really going to show how little I know about saltwater fishing. So anyway, back to the big audible. I originally was fishing Yarmouth, and after Yarmouth, I went to Craigsville Beach, which is where I saw the porgy and the albies. Now I'm gonna try a different spot all the way in Chatham, I think, just south of Chatham. I have no idea if this beach is any good, but we're gonna try it. And by we, I mostly mean myself. Lucky is just sleeping. She's so bored, as am I, honestly. I'm bored of not catching fish, but sticking with it. I am persevering and staying strong. We will catch you guys at beach number 40. Hopefully beach number 40 has got the fatty juice. I'll meet you there. Okay, so right now we got an incoming tide, high tide. I think it's right around like 3 p.m. And the current time is 11:26. Is that right? I don't know. But I'm just gonna pull over real quick and try out the spot. It's like this little marshy area. You guys can probably see it right there. Lucky's just gonna hang tight with the car running, and I'm gonna peep it. Then we're actually gonna go to the real spot. There's a beach and a jetty that I really want to fish. But this side is looking pretty windy. So we're gonna fish this for 2 seconds. See what happens. Okay, quick fish, quick fish. Found it. I found it. So this is, I guess, is just a marsh that connects to the Atlantic Ocean. That's so weird to me. Come on. You can kind of gauge whether or not it's going to be good just on the few casts you take. Doesn't take too many little twitches to know if there's fish at home. Oi, 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 oi. Closed to all shell fishing. What about regular fishing? Okay, well, that didn't work. All right, beach number 3, looking pretty much the same as all the other beaches. Oh my God, they're busting. There's fish busting right here. No way, I literally just pulled to beach number 3, and I already see fish surfacing. Let's try this out. Oh my God, of course fish are busting and I'm tangled. Oh, no, there's one. I just got hit. I just got thumped. I just got thumped, guys. Holy moly, that was a big bite. Oh, there they go. There they go. There they go. Oh, I just got hit again. Just got another hit. Oh, come on. Come on. We're getting close to something here. There we go. I'm on. There we go. Oh, that's a good striper. That's a good striper. That is not a bad striper. About time we hooked up. That is a quality fish. Not a bad one at all. Come here. Yes. Finally got a good fish. Not a bad striper. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wow, that's actually one of the bigger ones I've caught on the beach. Not bad. Not a bad fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, sir. We did it. We freaking did it, boys. Check that out. First ever beach striper. Unreal. It's a good one too. It's not little. Check that striper out. That's a good one. I did not think I was gonna catch one this big today. Gorgeous fish. There we have it. First fish and biggest striper of the trip. Off the beach, complete solo mission, panned out. Good fish, let's get him back in the water. Send him back. Oh, what a beauty. What a freaking beauty. There he goes. See you, dude. Come on, Lucky. Damn, that was sick. All right, let's try that again. Whew, intense, mega intense. So here we are, watching the sunset in Chatham after quite the struggle of the day. Normally when I'm like wrapping up a video, I'm like, wow, that was a banger, like we freaking smoked him. But today was difficult, but I think I needed to be humbled. You know, first time I came here to New England, I had that canal striper experience. I caught more 20-pound stripers than I can even count. Like, I don't even know how many 20-pound stripers I've caught. I've caught a lot, but that was only in 2 days, and it was just a freak incident. After that, I had that jetty experience where I called those little striper. They weren't as big, but it was still a lot of fun. And then fast forward to present date, we had a tough one, but we caught a big striper, a bigger striper, and that's pretty huge. So I'm just gonna crush a quick P to Sammy real quick as I watch the sun go down, and maybe these striper will splurge one more time. I've got the lay of the land at the moment, so I'm just kind of watching to see if anything goes down. It could happen. Striper are a very time-oriented fish, so as soon as that sun sets, we may get something going on. But even if we don't, what an incredible day. This was so much fun. I was fish busting. Oh, it's like time out, time in. I got to see a lot of the Cape today. To be quite honest, the Cape is probably one of my favorite places in the United States. I love Texas, I love it out west, I love the North, I love the Midwest, but this place is, it's amazing. It's tough to beat. Striper are some of my favorite fish. I think that's one of the reasons why it bumps up to the top of my list. Anyway, you guys will have to bear with me as I crush this sandwich. And yeah, I don't know, just reminisce on that big, beautiful, bodacious bite. Love it out here. Damn, this place is sick. This is our final attempt at catching a last-minute fish. As you can see, the sun is setting. It's just amazing out here. I can't shut up about this view. It's just unbelievable. I mean, even if the fishing's been kind of dusty and a bit crusty, I've just enjoyed being out here on the beach and fishing all new stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, it's gonna be so hard to leave here. I think the main reason it's gonna make me leave here in a little bit is the fact that it's gonna start getting really chilly since we're approaching that fall season. But while the weather's nice, let's make the most of it and try to crank on some fish. Is it not? That's it. Last and final cast of the evening. Figured I'd wrap up today's video right here while we still have a little bit of sunlight left. I just want to say thank you guys so much for sticking with the entire episode, and I just want to thank you guys for a lot of the recent support. I know this has been kind of a different trip for me, you know, not fishing in Texas, not fishing in Illinois, and it's been a lot of fun. I just hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am filming it for you guys. But I'm peacing out, signing out, gonna say good night and farewell to all of you beautiful Jeets out there. I'm gonna get some rest and probably hit it hard in the morning. Lucky and I got a big day ahead of us, so we're gonna cut some Z's right now, and I'm gonna bid farewell to all you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the view. Again, be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, as it of course supports the channel. But that's it, that's all. Thank you for watching, and as always folks, keep stepping on dead horseshoe crabs. Never stop.